Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Slightly Unblended and this is what's in the box. So is this a series now? I don't know. This is where I do like my little mini hauls, whatever. So let's get started with the what did I order from Profusion. So for my order, I ordered the Profusion Electric Bold Eyeliner, or Electric Bold Liner it is. This is in the shade Trip. And I also picked up the shade Days. These are neon-y. I wanted something that was better than the electric cake eyeliners from ABH because I liked them at first, but then they like got really flaky and I literally wasted $60 on cornflakes. I have played around with Days. I like it fairly well. These were only about $4 or $5 compared to the $30 for 3 cake eyeliners from ABH. So yeah. I also picked up the little Mini Eyes Dazzle Mascara Sparkling Eye Topper. I picked this kind of product up before last year. I like the mascara and the eye topper it's hit or miss. I didn't hate it, but also like I wasn't mad about it because I do believe I only paid like $3 for this. So I was so excited to pick up a $5 blue palette. Okay? Alright. This is the Electric Blues 8 shade palette. It gave me the blues. I couldn't help it. I had to try it. Packaging was cute. You know, little cassette tape with the glare in it. Yeah, I was like, alright, that's cute. I need to get it. It's only $5 or something like that. Picked it up, went to use it one day, used the shade Nautical, and it was patchy AF. So that has discouraged me from trying anything else about it. But I can give her a go if you would like. So far I'm not impressed. I also have never tried any of their lip products, so I picked up the Perfect Pout Soft Matte Lip Tint in Powerful. It is a dark red, and I haven't tried it yet. Do I need to do a trying out Profusion stuff? Let me know. I also picked up the Neon 10 shade palette. Super cute. I was like, yes, finally something that isn't full of neutral tones. That's something that I feel like Profusion is notorious for, but also like their neutrals are good. I have the Wanderlust, I like it. Infatuation's okay. I personally prefer more colorful things, so that's why I shy away from Profusion because I feel like they're super heavy in neutrals, and I just have been into more neutrals lately because I've made myself be, because I want to step out of my comfort zone and play around with neutrals more. So that has kind of been why I don't really use a lot of Profusion stuff, if that makes sense. But I was excited to try this, and I did, but I also noticed that it did not quite perform the way that I wanted it to. The yellow sunnies, I had to really dig into it to get it to have the pigment that I felt that it should have, and then it tried to be a tiny bit patchy. I haven't done a whole lot with the rest of it because I'm scared that it will be patchy too. So I feel like I am 2 for 4 on patchiness from Profusion. But I am more than willing to give the 2 palettes that I recently got in this haul another try. I'm not going to just say that it's complete trash yet. I'm just saying, you know, my first impressions, I'm not impressed. But I do like the liner. Like out of the liners, I tried the pink one. I like it. I'm excited to try the green. I've kind of been on a graphic liner kick, but I've also been like doing looks and not filming them and then being like, oh, I need to film that, which is the situation here. It should be up soon. I'm sure it's going to be after this at some point. So once it's up, I will try to, you know, I'll link it down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please thumbs it up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't care. It's engagement. It helps YouTube push my video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!